and people be like, oh, that's a new dress, and you're like, no dude, I styled it in a different way. गाइज वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबको स्वागत है। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल तो सबाई की स्वागत। आई एम मिथा घोष, इन शॉर्ट MG, and you're watching MG Style. As you guys already know from the title of the video, today's video is going to be an H&M basics try on haul. I'm super excited to share with you all what I have got from H&M. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first product that I have is a linen vest top in black color, and this one I wore in one of my video as well. I'll just keep on putting videos side by side so that you guys have the idea how I look. Also, I'll just shift it a bit. I'll just put videos also here so that you get an idea. The quality is very good. It's very comfortable and very airy. As you can see, it's V-neck. Both like पीछे सामने same ही है. Very appropriate for summer because it's very comfortable. It comes in 2-3 more colors, and I'm also planning to get some of them because there is an orange color which is very nice and unique. But I wanted a basic black top, so I got this one. And you get this one and you can pair it with many outfits. Like you can pair it with your skirts, your pants, shorts, everything. So this is again a must-have kind of a dress. So all of today's items will be all basic and something which you must have. So yeah. And this one I got in the size medium, and this one retails for 999 rupees. Disclaimer, like right now in lockdown we are not going anywhere, and we're basically staying home, so we don't need much clothes. So don't get intimidated by the video. This video is only meant for entertainment purpose, and you can just enjoy and watch the video, and you may not need any dresses right now, so there's no need to buy. You can just enjoy and watch the video, and you can put all of this in your wish list, and when things get better you can get your hands on them. So yeah, the thing that I love the most about H&M is they have so many color variation in those beige, greys and all. So there's so many color variations and the same product with so many different colors. Like with your normally you will feel like okay, this all looks same, but when you with the closer look you will understand that oh my god, they have so many different textures and so many different color mixtures, and I love that about them. So again I got a trouser, again a must have, like it's a basic piece, and we all need this kind of pieces. So this is a trouser, this is a ribbed trouser, perfect for springtime, I'll say. Like not perfect for like the super summer time because it's very hot, and ye material thoda to it's thick. It's not very like summer mein thoda you will feel hot. Otherwise in springtime or when it's rainy you can wear it. I'm super happy with the quality, and it's amazing. And the color, I don't know, again the camera will not do justice to the color. Like I just love their the H&M is known for their basics, right? And again the color options they have is amazing. So this is the one that I have, and this goes all the way down. And one thing I will say is I was really skeptical of the height, because normally kya hota hai, length bahut zyada it was long. I was sure that I have to get it fixed by a local tailor, but then I'm really happy with the height, which I was really worried about. So yeah, this is the parallel pant, and I just like the fit so much. This hugs my body in a very beautiful way. Again, it's in the size medium. You can pair it with any color because it's such a nice color, and its best goes with the black. So the top that I showed you before, this really goes well with this one. But you can also pair this with a crop top as well. So this one retails for 1299 rupees. The next product that I have is one of my most favorite because of the color especially, and this is a ribbed jersey dress, and look at the color. This color is amazing. Again a monochrome, like it's plain red, nothing fancy, basic, but a win-win product, like a win-win piece. Yeah, so this is the ribbed jersey dress. When you wear this, you will want a badminton and you want to play badminton. Like you will get that feeling. Trust me, just wear this and you get the feeling. And see the collar, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. You can follow me on Instagram. There I'll be posting a reel or pictures how I style it. So yeah, this is again an amazing piece. Like, it's a basic piece, but again a statement piece. Like, see, it's red in color and you can pair it in a number of ways. Well, again, this comes in another color, in white also. So this was again in the new arrival, and this was getting out of stock also. Like, it was in the new arrival, and the next day when I was going to order it, it's out of stock. Again, it came in stock. So yeah, again a very good piece, and again in the size medium, and this one retails for 1499 rupees. And again, when it comes to the quality, बहुत ही अच्छा है. You can trust H&M on that. I'm super happy with the quality. And see the texture, it's beautiful. It is quite short, like it's not your knee length wala dress. ये थोड़ा उससे भी ऊपर है, so you would want to wear shorts underneath. And also you can style this in winter as well. Like, I'm really planning to, you know, wear a white turtleneck top and black pants underneath. It will look bomb. Again, when you're buying some piece, always think in different ways. How can you wear it, like in winter or in summer? In summer also, if you're wearing it, a number of different ways you need to think, right? So that you can utilize this in a different number of ways, and people be like, oh, that's a new dress, and you're like, no dude, I style it in a different way. That was all for what I got for myself. And you guys let me know which one is your favorite piece in the comment section below, or anything you want to know. So now the stuff that I want to show is what I got from my mother. And again, things that I get from my mother, like especially this western pieces, I'm like, dude, they're also mine. So, you know, I also keep on wearing them. So now let's dive into that. My mom got 2 dresses for herself. So again, look at the color. This is the light beige color, and this one retails for 1499, and in the size in the size XL, sorry. And it also comes with the pockets. So yeah, both sides. Like, this is super duper soft, बहुत ही अच्छा है. The color is again to die for. And this one I will not show a try on of this one, because this is the only piece, unfortunately it doesn't suit me. So when I wear it, I look like, I can't even tell you, I look very bad in this. I don't know why. But otherwise, the other piece that I will show you, that one has suit. I'll show you guys. But this one, I'm very sad. Literally, I'm very sad because this didn't suit me. With the belt also, I tried many ways actually to steal this from my mom. But then this is in no way cooperating with me. So I'm like, I've given up hopes on this. So otherwise, it's really suiting my mom very well. And this is not like the full length one. This is like 3/4 length. Yeah. So this is, again, you can get this a very basic piece. You can again style this in a different way. I would suggest, like, I would like to style this with the black sunglass, and, you know, with the pony, and, you know, nothing on much, with a new lipstick, and you're set to go with a black bag. Now the next piece that I have is again a dress. This is the H&M jersey dress, and this one retails for 1299 rupees. And for the price, the quality is very good. Let me tell you that it's very good. And again, it's in black color, and this has suited me very well, and I'm very happy for that. Again, it's in the size XL. So like, I love this dress. I even wore this in one of my video, I believe. Yeah. So this is a slit. Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, so it has a slit here, as you can see, a slit here, and it's again a very beautiful dress. Like, it fits my mom as well as me so nicely. Like, it's a little bit baggy on me, and I like the fitting again, and it fit my mom very nicely. And you know, I just love this dress. I love this dress. Again, a basic must have. Like, it's black in color, and you can style this in a number of ways again. And you know, this dress also, like, if you're planning to buy for yourself also, you can just go 1 or 2 sizes extra also, if you like that baggy feeling, because I really love the fit of this on myself, and it's a win-win. And also it fits my mom also very, you know, nicely. So this quality and everything is very nice. Like, again, H&M, you can trust on that. And when you're buying basics, you don't have to worry. So yeah, that's very nice. And delivery is superb. Again, बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है. Like, you order this day and ये 2-3 दिन में आ जाता है. So this you can wear in summer. Like, it's black in color, but dude, when it comes to style, why not in summer? Like, black ने क्या किया है? You just can't wear black only in winter, right? So it's fine. Wear black in summer. Like, I'm totally fine with that. So Again, you can wear this in summer, and I love this, especially if you can wear it at night also. And again, the previous one that I showed you, again, it's very comfortable. You can wear it in daytime, summer perfect. So all of these are summer perfect. And but that trouser that I showed you, I wore it once outside, and it's little bit like you will feel hot. So yeah, it's better to wear in winter or at night time. Daytime with thoda, because it's very hot in Kolkata right now. So yeah. So that is all that I got from H&M. I got 5 pieces and I'm really happy with the quality, and you can definitely get them, or you can just put it in your wish list and wait for the time. And I hope, I really pray to God, like this will get over soon, and then you can get your hands on this. Yeah, that is it for today's video. And if you guys have enjoyed today's video, then you guys know what to do. So yeah, that's it for today's video. We'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.